Like many of you, I juggle with a lot of things in my life. Personally, I run a blog and business, but I also have a work life and a household to take care of. It can feel pretty overwhelming to wear so many hats and have so many tasks, but I finally found a system that works for me. That is what I'm going to show you and share with you today, and how I organize my life with digital tools. I am all about making it your own and customizing it to the journey of who you are today and where you are today. In case you don't know who I am, I'm Shanice Banas and I'm from Toronto, Canada. I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, which is a custom e-design organizing service. As much as I love the idea of a physical planner to organize my life, I just find digital tools more effective for me. I wanted to take the time to talk about calendars and scheduling. I don't know about you, but calendars are essential. It helps see your weekly to-do list, day-to-day calendar appointments, school activities, family gatherings, and even your child's school homework schedule, and more. Of course, I love having a wall calendar as well. My wall calendar is for my family appointments and school information, and my phone calendar is my central point for both my home life and my business life. So I know what is going on at all times. Here are 2 calendar apps and sites to consider if you are moving from your planner or wall calendar, or you want a more central digital calendar for your entire family. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Outlook calendar. Microsoft Outlook is a great option, especially if you are using this for your emails already. You can use this calendar to schedule and organize your life, but also create and manage multiple calendars within Outlook for different aspects of your life. Example, work or personal. It is also perfect to use for integrating with Teams and other office apps like Zoom and even Google Calendar. Speaking about Google Calendar, that one's next. Google Calendar is a commonly used calendar app, especially if you have Gmail account already. However, even though Outlook is my primary email, I use my Google Calendar way more than my Outlook calendar because I feel like you have more variety. You can manage multiple calendars, but what I love is the overlaying multiple calendars to see all events. Lastly, you can use it with Gmail, Google Drive, as well as Google Meet, but also Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Trello. We talked about how families can share digital calendars and coordinate schedules, plan events, and keep track of everyone's activities with Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. We don't stay the same forever. We grow and we change. Therefore, your organizing will change as well. If a digital tool no longer works for you or your family, don't be afraid to change it to match how your family is right now. To find out more about organizing all aspects of your life, you can check out my blog, cityofcreativedreams.com. It has a jaw-dropping free resource library filled with organizing printables and my organizing resource lounge with my favorite things. If you want to stop hiding your clutter and make your home break-worthy, check out my custom home organizing design service called Inspired by Organizing. All my social media accounts are under the same name at City of Creative Dreams, and or if you want to check out Inspired by Organizing, they're also under the same name. I would love it for you to come over to one of my pages to say hi and have fun organizing. Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.